Students, we have already learned how to find HCF and LCM. So today we are going to start with the practice set 14. So I am going to read the first question. Choose the right option. And the question is this. Okay. So the HCF of 120 and 150 is, the options are given. So you will have to first find the factors of 120. Okay, you can do it by this vertical method also. So this is 60 because 2 6 are 12 and 0 as it is. So let's find the factors first. 15 2s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, I am going to do the same here. Two 7s are 14, and when the remainder is 1, it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. That means 75. Now you cannot divide 75 by 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So that we can divide it using 3. So 3 2s are 6, there is 1, and 3 5s are 15. All of you know how to do this, okay? So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now what are the factors? Write the factors here. 120 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay? And factors of 150 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we are going to find the common factors because we need to find the highest common factor. What are the common factors? HCF is equal to 2 2. Therefore 2 one time. Okay? 3 3. So 3 is also common. And 5 5. So 5 is also common. You don't need to worry about the others, okay? So 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So option number 1 is the right option. Okay? Now you will be doing the same question as the second question is asked. Now this is the question that the HCF of pair of the numbers is not 1. That means 3 of the pairs having HCF equal to 1. And there's one pair which do not have HCF is equal to 1. So let's find out. 13 can be divided by 1 and 13 only. Okay. 17 is a prime number which can be divided by 1 and 17. So which one is the common factor here? So HCF in this pair is 1. Now let's take the second pair. 29 is also prime number. So 29 can be divided by 29 and 1 only. So 20 is 1 multiplied by 20, which can be further written as 1 to 10. Okay. So which one is the common factor here? 1 and the 1. Other 2 and 5 are not the common factors. So HCF here is also 1. Now let's find it out. Third and fourth pair. First take fourth pair. Okay, fourth pair is 14. 2 multiplied by 7. And 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Is there any common factor? No, that means the common factor is 1. Okay, so HCF is 1. Because the number is always divisible by 1 and the same number. Okay. Then if 3 numbers, this is also having HCF 1, HCF 1, HCF 1. That is, this is not having HCF 1. They have different HCF. If you want to check, you can just find the factors of it. How will you find the factors? 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. And in case of 40, 2 20 times will give you 40. 2 tens are 20. 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. So which are the common factors? 2 and again 2 and 5. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 twos are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So what is the HCF? HCF is 20 in this case. So which option is right? Option number 3 is right. The question number 3 is your homework. Okay, so you have to find the HCF of these 5 examples. Okay, so this is your homework. Do it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll solve the doubts tomorrow. And thank you so much.